Welcome! In this Excel tutorial, we will learn how to make messy names into proper and consistent names in Excel. Let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rob Gaffer, and my goal is to provide you with quick and easy tutorials that don't waste your time. Make sure to like and subscribe if my videos helped you. Here, we have a list of different names that we need to change the format. As you see, some names are using all capital letters, some are using all lowercase letters, and some names have weird combination of both. In the new column, we want to make sure that all names are consistent with only the first letter being uppercase. While we can manually type it all out like this, it will take hours to do so if you have a lot of names. Luckily, Excel has a built-in function to help address this. The function is called proper. By definition, this function capitalizes the first letter in a text string that come after any character other than letters. It converts all other letters to lowercase letters. Let's see how it works. Start with an equal sign and type proper. Open the brackets and select the first cell you want to convert to the proper format. Close brackets and click Enter. As you see, it worked for the first name. Then simply click on the bottom right side of the cell and drag the function to all other cells you want to be changed. All names are now in a consistent format. Now you know how to change names into a proper format in Excel. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and let me know in the comments what else you want to learn on my channel.